Right. So in the last session, we have discussed about what are the different techniques for automating data patterns, especially using artificial intelligence and machine learning. Wherein today we are going to discuss about what are the different tools normally are we using now. At the same time, what are the different applications across industries now and then we are using. When it comes to the tools for data pattern automation and all, the first one about uh, Python libraries. First one about Python libraries is one kind of tool that we are using. This is the first one. Next, for data visualization and all, we are using even Tableau and Power BI. We are using even. Next, about different cloud platforms we are using nowadays. Different cloud platforms also. Next, we are using some big data frameworks also. So these are the different right. So these are the different tools we are using, like Python libraries, all that. So normally for Python libraries, as in we know, right? So we use even TensorFlow, right? So Pivot.od, at the same time Scikit learning, right? So these are all majorly we use for outer detections, all that. When it comes to the Tableau and Power BI, these are all for data visualization we use to visualize the data, right? So to create any kind of dashboards, everything we can do that. Along with this, we are using different cloud platforms, especially for large scale usages of machine learning, something like AWS SageMaker, so Azure MI Studio, or all that. For big data frameworks, like whatever the process of large amount of data, we use Apache Spark, Hadoop, all these things we are using. Along with the tools, we are using applications also across industries, like for consumer behavior studies, or it can be for fraud prevention. At the same time, if we are managing any healthcare related aspects like healthcare analysis or manufacturing downtime prevention, supply chain controls. So there are different applications now and then we are using. So this is how generally the implementation in artificial intelligence and machine learning, while we are automating design data patterns. So for a better efficiency of business process automation, especially in organization level or industry level, one should be known with. In the next session, we are going to discuss about what are the implementation best practices for implementing these, especially in data patterns automation and all that we are going to discuss in the next session.